Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul, I am a teacher. In this video, I am going to give you information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore MPH, that is Master of Public Health Entrance Exam 2022. And I want to inform you that students who are preparing for various universities MPH entrance exam like CMC Vellore, AIMS, PGI MER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, IIPH, NIMHANS Bangalore, JNU, Lucknow University, Hyderabad University, ICMR, Sri Chitra Tirunal, Rajiv Gandhi Health University, Common University Entrance Exam, etc. And for this, if they want to join online coaching and want to take important questions PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exam, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe the channel so that you can get the information regarding various admissions and important questions PDF, important questions videos. So here I am going to give you information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore Master of Public Health Entrance Exam 2022. This is the information bulletin. Vellore 632002 Tamil Nadu. Information bulletin. Allied Health Master Courses Admission 2022. These are the phone numbers and address, website address. So here I am going to give you information, important information. Here it is mentioned that all courses and admission to our college, that is CMC Vellore, are subject to applicable regulations by University Government Medical Council of India. Admission to CMC Vellore are through the process described in the prospectus. No fee or donation or any other payments are accepted in lieu of admission other than what has been prescribed in the prospectus. The prospectus can be downloaded free from our website www.cmchvellore.edu. So here its address: Registered Christian Medical College, Vellore 632002 Tamil Nadu, India. Phone 0416 228 4255 228 4495. Website admissions.cmcvellore.ac.in. Please note, we do not admit students through agents or agencies. The college will not be responsible for any candidates or parents dealing with such persons. Applications are invited for the MPT, MHA, MPH, Fellowship and MSc programs commencing in August 2022. Course will start in August 2022. Courses available. Here are the details is given for the available courses. In this video, I am giving you information regarding Master of Public Health. So this is a course MPH, that is Master of Public Health. Eligibility for this course. Here I am giving you information. What is all the information that is given? That is code. First code is given, that is name of the course, then educational eligibility criteria, then entrance exam paper. What is the paper for entrance exam? Then number of seats for open and minority network and CMC Vellore staff quota. Then duration, then fees, approximate admission year, that is for first year, and other year, that is for second year. So here the name of the course is MPH, that is Master of Public Health. Eligibility criteria for this course is MBBS or BDS or BBSc or BSc Nursing or BPT or BOT or graduates of Ayush courses, Pharmacy and Engineering, postgraduate in Statics, Biostatics, Demography, Population Studies, Nutrition, Sociology, Economics, Psychology, Anthropology, Social Work, Management or Law. So wide category of wide students can apply. I am repeating again that students who have either degree in MBBS or any other degree like BDS, BBSc, BSc Nursing, BPT, BOT, graduates of Ayush courses, Pharmacy and Engineering, postgraduate in statistics, biostatistics, demography, population studies, nutrition, sociology, economics, psychology, anthropology, social work, management or law. So these students can apply. Now entrance exam paper special, I will give you information regarding this in the later part of the video. Number of seats that is available for open, number of seats are 7, and for minority network and CMC value staff quota, for their 8 seats are available. So total 15 seats are available. 7 seats are for open category and 8 are reserved for minority network and CMC value staff quota. Duration of the course is 2 years, and fee for first year that is 90,000, and for second year 40,000. So total fee is 90,000 plus 40,000, 1,30,000 for 2 years. Now I am giving you information regarding other important details. It is admission timetable 2022. 2nd May 2022 application can be accessed online. 3rd June 2022 last date for submission of application form with payment. So last date for submission of application form with payment is 3rd of June 2022. Last date for receipt of relevant supporting document 8 June 2022. 24 June 2022 last date for receipt of completed sponsorship forms from MNW organizations. 12th July 2022 step 1 computer based test. Computer based test CBT will be on 12th July 2022. 20th July 2022 announcement of step 1 result. 20th September 2022 registration and medical checkup at Vellore. 21st September 2022 step 2 practical test and interview. 23rd September 2022 announcement of final selection result. Registration of admission to be continued. Courses begins to be announced. This will be announced later in the website. This is the general instructions that is given. The bulletin may be downloaded free of cost from Christian Medical College website. The essential details are provided to enable candidates to fill the application form for the academic year 2022-23. Please go through this carefully before filling the form. Application form is available only online. So forms is available only online. The filled in application forms has to reach the registrar Christian Medical College Vellore 632002 not later than the date mentioned in section 2. The last date for online application submission with payment of application fee along with supporting document is on the date given is in table 2. Where relevant, photocopy of SC/ST certificate and its attested English translation must be sent. Hard copies may be sent by speed post courier. The application fee includes a basic administrative fee of rupees 800 plus a registration fee of rupees 500 per course applied. Candidates applying for SAARC countries should send a demand draft for rupees 2100 or its equivalent, and those from other foreign countries $110 or its equivalent. The application fee can be paid by any one of the methods given below. So here methods are given for payment. Application fee will not be refunded under any circumstances. Here important information are given in this video so that the video length will not be very much. Computer based test step 1, there will be a computer based test for all the courses as detailed in the admission timetable in section 2 on the date specified at the following cities. Entrance test will be in CBT test will be in these cities: Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, Calicut, Chennai, Delhi, Ernakulam, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Kottayam, Lucknow, Madurai, Mumbai, Nagercoil, Patna, Puducherry, Ranchi, Salem, Thiruvananthapuram, Vellore and Vijayawada. In these cities there will be entrance exam. And the pattern for entrance exam: the general paper non-science for group B will consist of multiple choice questions of a general nature, including very basic science, general knowledge, current awareness and general ability, 90 questions. Special paper: the test paper for MPH, there is a special paper. The test paper consists of multiple choice questions relevant to specialty for which the candidates has applied, 90 questions, except for MPT, which will have 120 questions. So for MPH entrance exam there will be 90 questions. All the tests will be conducted in English. More information regarding the entrance test and sample papers are given in Annexure 3rd titled Information on Computer Based Test. So here is information regarding merit list. The Christian Medical College Vellore is an unaided, non-capitation Christian minority educational institution admitting students on an all-India basis. The primary concern of Christian Medical College Vellore is to develop through education and training compassionate, professionally excellent, ethically sound individual who will go out as servant leader of health teams and healing communities. The motto of the institution is not to be ministered up unto, but to minister. So here I am giving you important information regarding this in Annexure 3rd as given below, given above. The information on the test. So the computer based examination is of 90-minute duration. No break will be permitted during the test. The question paper will be in English only. Every question is followed by 4 answer options. Choose the option that is most appropriate. Indicate your answer by clicking on the circle adjacent to the option you think. Each correct answer fetches 1 mark. There is no negative marking, so no negative marking is there. So in this video I have given information regarding CMC Vellore MPH entrance exam 2022. Students who are preparing for various university and institutes MPH entrance exam like CMC Vellore, AIMS, PGI MER, TISS, JIPMER, IIPH, NIMHANS, JNU, Lucknow University, Hyderabad University, ICMR, Sri Chitra, Tirunal, Rajiv Gandhi Health University, Common University entrance exam, etc. And for this, if they want to take online coaching, and so they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the competitive exam, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Thanks for watching this video.